How to change aspect ratio in KineMaster. First of all, open KineMaster and tap on the plus icon to start a new project. You will see a screen with several aspect ratio options like 16:9, 9:16, 1:1 and more. Next, choose the aspect ratio that matches your target platform. For example, 16:9 is ideal for YouTube, 9:16 works great for Instagram Reels or TikTok, and 1:1 is perfect for square videos. Here I am choosing the 16:9 ratio. KineMaster will then open a new timeline based on that setting. Edit your video as needed and save it as a draft. To change the aspect ratio of that video, tap the three dots next to your project name and select the duplicate option. After selecting this option, you will see the available aspect ratios displayed on the screen. Now simply choose the appropriate aspect ratio you want to switch to. Now you know how to change aspect ratio in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.